Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. For today's video, I'm going to be making 4 different slimes, but in reverse. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the activator in first and the glue in last. So essentially what I've done is I've reversed the order of slime ingredients on like how I'm going to be adding them in. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do enjoy it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel and if you could maybe click that subscribe button, that would be so awesome. And also be sure to check out my second channel where I've been posting a lot of slime videos. So if you would like to watch even more, then you can check it out. I will have a link down below. And now without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. As I mentioned earlier, we are making slime backwards today. So the first ingredient that I'm going to add is the activator. Now to give the activator some color, I am going to add in some pink acrylic paint and mix that in. When you start mixing it in, the paint will not dissolve 100%. There will be a little like chunks, and that's completely fine. Because I am making glossy slime, I'm going to add in some baby oil and water. I'm also going to add in a few pumps of foaming hand soap, body lotion, and hair conditioner. One thing I noticed again is that there were chunks of conditioner and body lotion even after I was done mixing this. That was kind of annoying to me, but once I added in the glue, it was completely fine. I'm adding in half of clear glue and half of white. The first time around when I made slime in reverse, I was thinking of adding in the glue little by little like you would with activator, but what I ended up doing is I just put in the glue all at once and I mixed it in a lot. And when I say you have to mix this a lot, you really have to mix this quite a bit. And eventually it will thicken and you will have your slime. Now this is my first time making clear or jelly slime, so I'm going to add in my activator. I also added in a few drops of blue food coloring and I'm going to mix that in. Now I'm going to add in an entire bottle of clear glue in this. Surprisingly, I had a lot of fun mixing this in. It's so cool to see like the activator and glue separate. So I had a lot of fun mixing both of these ingredients together, and here is the completed slime. This time around, I am going to make crunchy slime, so it's pretty much the same like we did previously, but I added in these base filler beads first, and then I'm going to add in the activator. I'm going to add in a few drops of food coloring and mix that in. Once you add in the glue, you want to start mixing it in and it will immediately thicken, as you can see right over here. And for the final slime, I'm going to be making some no glue fluffy slime. So I added in my activator as per usual, and then I'm going to also add in a few drops of food coloring. Because I'm making fluffy slime, I am going to add in a lot of shaving cream. By the way, mixing in shaving cream into the activator is quite a struggle. Normally when you put it in glue, it will like immediately kind of come together, but when you add it into the activator, it does require a lot of mixing. And the final ingredient is to add in your peel-off face mask that contains polyvinyl alcohol in it. and I'm gonna mix that in. And here is the completed slime. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm sorry if I kind of sound low in this video. I just haven't been feeling the greatest. But yeah, I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.